Some trains for New South Wales vlogs, and I just want to make a vlog at Eskbank today, so I hope you sit back and enjoy. I'll be also having a look at the yards here at Eskbank, but first we're going to have a Lithgow bound VSET coming through, bound for Lithgow, and here it comes now in the distance. It is a VSET from Sydney through to Lithgow. It is now arriving. Gonna get this one first. I'm gonna go have a look around the lovely yards with 47 classes and stuff like that, so sit back and enjoy. Here comes our VSET now, Lithgow bound. And the set is V17. That's V17, and now I'm zooming into the old Eskbank station. Pretty awesome station, quite like it myself. Yeah, it's got lovely old signals up there. You can see 3 signals, only just, probably on the camera. And yeah, old station building. So anyway, I'm going to go have a look at yards and yeah, have a look around Eskbank. So sit back and enjoy. Carriages at Eskbank here. Yeah, pretty interesting old carriage right here, in the reddish colour. Please note I'm not trespassing at the moment because I'm just going down to Eskbank station. I've been allowed in, so yeah, just please note that, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to have a little exploration of Eskbank station. Yeah, this is just before Lithgow. Lithgow station's about 300 metres or so up the track, just up there. So if I zoom in, you can probably just see a VSET only just in a distance. So yeah, it's just over there, Lithgow station. Now I wanted to show you these lovely old signals here, or semaphore signals, or whatever they're called. Because that is pretty awesome, some semaphore signals right here, I just wanted to show you. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice. Old Eskbank station. Lovely infrastructure of such. Guessing it might have been used in the olden days. As you can see, it is fenced off currently, so yeah. Also, I might be getting the Kelso Flyer if I'm lucky enough. Depends if I have enough time to get it, and depends how far it is away. I'm not sure, but I had a look on my tracker thing and it wasn't too far away, so if it doesn't stop at Lithgow station, we should be able to get it easy enough before my train to Sydney. So I'm just going up here and I'm going to show you a signal box up here. Something pretty lovely to see of such. So that is the Eskbank signal box of such, which is also pretty nice to see. And that is looking towards Sydney in that direction, and that is looking towards Lithgow and Dubbo, etc. So yeah, got the lovely old signals once again, another view of them. So yeah, I'm going to give you a look at some of the locomotives now here at Eskbank. Here's quite a nice place. So the locomotives, they got 48s, 36 is attached to a wagon of such here. That's attached to the wagon on this side. So there is 48S36 in the red and white livery of such, and it's also attached to another set of wagons with also 4701 from Lockenville Railway, which is also pretty nice to see. It's attached to some Bellis wagons here, and these are Bellis wagons the 4701 is attached to. So here is 4701. It is certainly pretty lovely to see. Just once again, I'm not trespassing, just please note that. just in case you're wondering. So over here we have CEY007 Lake Macquarie locomotive of such. Here is a real close-up of CEY007. It's stationed in the yards, Eskbank yards. So yeah, we have CEY007 followed by CEY002 Lithgow. That's the Lithgow locomotive. Just walking along it and notice the elephant, that's pretty cute on the locomotive. And these are SSR locomotives, pretty nice ones, used mainly on coal trains, as you may have seen in some of my videos. Often used on coal trains from Newcastle direction out to Lithgow direction, a bit further out west from there. Mainly used on that branch line out at Willowering. And we have CEY006 Fassiphone. So that is also pretty good. So yeah, there's certainly are some classic locomotives. Some ones I certainly enjoy. And we have VL355 and followed by 4908 from Green Trains, which I'm going to show you also. So yeah, these are some classics. So 4908 from Green Trains, just sitting here at Lithgow Yard, Eskbank Yard, sorry. And we'll have a close up of the back of it as well. So there's the back of VL 355. And now we'll have a close up on the back of this locomotive, the 49 class, which is a classic. So here's 4908 on the back of it from Green Trains. And just another zooming in view of the signal box, a bit better view from here. So yeah, it's a bit of a better view. Yeah, it's about the closest I'm ever going to get to it, because you're not allowed to walk across the main tracks, of course, of the Western Line. Now, anyway guys, yeah, I'm gonna head back over the other side of the yards now and maybe show you a couple other things and see if we can get a train or two. So anyway guys, I'll see you back over the other side. Hope you enjoyed those locomotives. Such show you. Here's the front of 4701 from Lockenberry Railway. Just wanted to show you that. It has been used on the test cars previously, in the recent times it has been used. Yeah, it's just been used on the AK cars from Lockenberry Railway sometimes. So I just thought I'd show you that, ladies and gentlemen. Just letting you know, ladies and gentlemen, I found something pretty awesome in Eskbank. It's a model train set. Huge big model railway. So I'm going to be showing it to you on videos. I will not be commentating during this videos. Yeah, there's other people in here as well, other people working the model train and fixing it up and stuff and building more model train things. So yeah, that'll be busy, so I will not be commentating, but I'm going to show you some videos of it, a few videos. May not be able to show you everything of it, but I'll be able to show you some videos of it. I found it, it's pretty awesome. Just thought I'd show you some of the videos from it. So I hope you sit back and enjoy the model railway, and then after that I think I'll be wrapping up the vlog, so sit back and enjoy the model railway. Thank you. Oh, is that the Flying Scotsman? That's something else. I'm just saying. Oh, you put the plastic in. Yeah, good. Yeah. Yeah. No, that's dead. Why is that dead? Oh, still a dead spot. Oh, wow, it's thick. That's working out. You want one or two back? Yeah. So we better get her onto the actual train. Can I keep it? No. There's coal wagons, man, over here. There's Zach. What is it? Hey guys, now time to wrap up the vlog. Sorry I didn't get any trains in this vlog, although I did get heaps of nice ones in the yards. So I really did hope you do enjoy that. I'm happy I got those locomotives anyway, nevertheless. But anyway, the freight train stopped at Lithgow station up ahead, so I'm going to go get some photos of it now before I go to get my train to Sydney. So unfortunately, this is where I got to end the vlog. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, thanks for watching this vlog, and hope you enjoyed seeing Eskbank station a little bit. Lovely architecture. Anyway guys, yeah, now time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to my channel, like and favourite my videos, and I'll see you all next time. Hope you enjoyed Eskbank, and bye bye for now, ladies and gentlemen.